Let's take a look at the current scenarios, problems, and challenges. Budget allocation and expenditure in SBMG. The Government of India assigned rupees to 18,216 crores to the Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation during the economic year 2019-20, and SBMG assigned rupees 18,216 crores. It is the biggest scheme run by MDWS, representing 55% of the complete MDWS budget in financial year 2019-20, up from 24% in financial year 2014-15. Expenditure as a percentage of accessible Government of India resources has been high in recent years but has declined. 75% of accessible resources were spent in financial year 2017-18. Construction of individual household latrines represent the biggest proportion of total spending and has steadily increased over the years. As of January 14, 2019, IHHL coverage stood at 99% of all homes. Only Goa 76% and Odisha 79% report bathroom coverage of less than 90%. Information Education Communication. In the event of sanitation, IEC is the main factor, and this alone can make ODF status viable as it guarantees people's participation. 8% of the total allocation under SBMG is to be used for IEC activities, according to the guidelines. Some ODF states, such as Sikkim and Haryana, seem to put more effort into IEC operations and have incurred more than 5% of all IEC spending since financial year 2016-17. Others such as Tamil Nadu 13%, Gujarat 13%, and Andhra Pradesh 14% also accounted for a bigger share of IEC spending in the 2018-19 fiscal year. With the Gram Panchayats, known as Swachh Swachhagrahis, countries can mobilize frontline employees devoted to working towards behavioral change according to SBMG rules. While these are ideally intended to be local volunteers, the rules enable payments from IEC funds to be made to Swachhagrahis to encourage results. As of January 15, 2018, this ratio was 70% of Gram Panchayats, 2,57,041. Of the total of 5,78,902 employed by Swachhagrahis, 48% worked on a voluntary basis. ODF declaration. ODF statements are a method that starts at the village or Gram Panchayat level from the bottom up. Once a village declares itself to be ODF and the Gram Panchayat adopts an ODF status resolution, it is validated to the block by the block, district, and state level and has to undergo multiple verification rounds before being accepted. Of a total of 6,521 villages, 5,44,332 were proclaimed ODF villages. That's actually 91% of the total villages. However, the second level of ODF verification was only finished by 14%, and the first level of ODF verification was finished by 82%. The problem of behavioral change. The challenge of behavioral change is often compounded by the diversity in Indian society, where one can have the approach of one size fits all and thus require more contextual knowledge. As a matter of reality, the sanitation campaign will lead to fruitless operations without getting local understanding in the fold. Although 99% of rural households are declared to have access to toilets, very few empirical studies focused on the behavioral changes obtained during the program and the significant obstacles to the rural toilet implementation. It has been reported that IEC activities, designs of the toilet, availability of sanitation materials, access to water, and political or social leadership account for a higher demand for construction and use of toilets. Social norms, such as the recognition by family members, colleagues, neighbors, and other members of the society of open defecation, makes changes in conduct difficulty. Open defecation is also seen as part of the norms and practices of their socialization. Sociocultural variables therefore affect the behavior of sanitation as much as financial variables. These non economic variables include gender, age, family, head, education, and amount of members of the family. Different self-help group members said they took loans from the SHGs because of insufficient toilet construction subsidy quantities. The toilet design is not friendly to people with distinct capacities. The communities were not trained on the significance of adequate sanitation, the need for toilets, adequate feces disposal, and menstrual hygiene. Low use IEC and bad awareness building strategies had created low household toilet demand. Factors affecting having a toilet at household. Villages with drinking water piping were more probable to have both toilet access and toilet use. Higher castes are more probable to have toilets for exclusive use. Family head, gender, also has an impact on access to the toilet. Household quality of life. Distance between the source of drinking water and the premises. The more favorable impact of political will. Possible solution. The Indian sanitation program should be reworked to include providing bigger families with more than one toilet. More emphasis should be placed on the ground level dissemination of data in affecting individuals, health, and social workers should play a greater role. The political organizations should avoid directly influencing individuals, but they should be of the greatest order at the same moment. Sanitation improvement is related to other indices of living circumstances. Therefore, it is essential to have a better household and public infrastructure, better water supply, housing, access, and toilet use issues in the bathroom. At the same moment, greater household incomes with greater purchasing power for sustainable products would lead to a better standard of living and hence the practice of sanitation. Last but not the least, a focus on female literacy is a prerequisite for improved coverage of sanitation.